For dairy farmers, every day presents new challenges. A good dry period and start to the lactation cycle are essential to milk production, fertility, and the overall health of the cow. The Transition Company has been supporting dairy farmers and ensuring a smooth transition period for years. We firmly believe this has a positive effect on the entire cycle and longevity of the cow. Our specialists provide dairy farmers with tailor-made advice, focusing on transition cow nutrition and housing. By working closely with vets and nutritionists worldwide, we collectively explore and identify areas for potential improvement, providing the most valuable insights into your operations. After all, no two dairy farmers are exactly the same. With this in mind, together we explore the opportunities for achieving returns on your farm when analyzing your business processes. In doing so, we value the fact that you, the entrepreneur, are in complete control. This way, we are able to minimize recurring milk fever and fertility problems and focus on profitable milk production and a longer, healthier life for the cow. Discover what an optimal transition period can mean for your cows at thetransitioncompany.eu.